Hi, Andrew Unknown here, mortgage agent with Rock Capital Investments. Welcome to the first New to Mortgage series video of 2023. And for the first video of the year, I thought I would do a refresher course for those who may not know what we do as mortgage agents about 5 of the chief reasons why working with an agent is always better than going directly to the lender yourself. The first reason is that when you work with an agent, 98% of what I do is research. I find the best programs, the best lender, the best rates, the best everything that works for whatever the situation is with you. So my first conversations, I find out, okay, this is what the person's looking for. They're looking to buy their first home, or they're looking to refinance, to put in a new kitchen, or whatever it may be. Then knowing all of these things, once I have all of the information I need, I say, okay, here's all the documents that I will need, and then I do the research on what's best program for you. So it's not as, you don't get as, bogged down with, I walked into my bank and I tried to get a mortgage to buy my first home, but they wouldn't let me do it because of X, Y, or Z. Well, okay, well maybe they didn't let you do that, but now you have to try and find another thing on your own. This case, I reach out to our contacts with the lenders, and I find the best deal and find the best lender and find the best products for what your needs would be as a client. The second thing, reason number 2, is we're able to get you pre-approved. So, for example, say you are shopping for either your first home or a second home, whether it's a cottage or a rental property or anything like that. We're able to get you pre-approved while you're looking for your home, or you've just moved, or you've started a new job and you've just moved. Whatever the reason is, we're able to get you pre-approved for 120 days. So we can do the pre-approval, and then once you find a property that fits for what you're looking for in the area that you're looking for, boom, all the work is done. You have a mortgage right away. The third thing, and this is probably the most important, is we have knowledge about certain programs and the way that we can do things, and the way that the way that lenders like things done and things showed, so that depending on what your income is, depending on what your situation is, there are programs out there that can help you find a mortgage. Especially in the changing markets that are going on right now in 2020 and 2023, with the real estate market being what it is and inflation being what it is, having somebody on your side is crucial. The fourth one of these is there are certain lenders who allow for very specialized mortgage lending. They're called monoline lenders because they only deal with mortgages. Some of these monoline lenders deal directly with mortgage agents, and this allows them to have certain programs that A, the average consumer may not know about, and B, are only available if you work with an agent. That can be very beneficial, and especially with rates being what they are, and possibly allow you to qualify for more money, because some of these programs allow you to qualify at the contract rate rather than the typically standard either contract rate plus 2 or 5.25% to qualify for your mortgage. And fifth, and probably, like I said, ties in with a couple of the other ones, but the most important reason to work with a broker or an agent when doing your mortgage is this. It is your most expensive purchase, right? Buying a home will likely be the most expensive purchase of your life. If you use a broker for insurance or like home insurance or car insurance or anything else, or life insurance, right? And you use an investment banker for other things, using a mortgage agent, somebody who's on your side, who knows the market, who knows the industry, who can package the deal in the best way, especially if you've got an interesting situation on your hands, or whatever that may be. If there's more of a complicated situation that needs explaining, we can package it in the best way to make sure that you get the mortgage that you need as best we can. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next week.